Okay, I made this question just now.
Okay, that's the next note.
I made up this question.
Yeah.
People work on this.
No. Okay, the other thing that we talked about is on the next note. Look at the next note.
25.
Yeah.
So when you're saying C3, you mean that like any of the reagents that we use cannot have more than 3 continuous carbons?
It's your first, isn't it the first?
Or is it just the first one?
Starts with, let me see.
So our start reagent cannot have more than 3 continuous carbons.
Correct, yeah.
I was just a little confused as to how you were counting it in class because like if you have a double bond to an oxygen, like if you have a
Double
carbonyl,
bond to an oxygen.
Does that carbon that's double bonded?
1, 2.
Okay, so that does count.
There is a side example on my notes of this. Okay, this is C2.
Right.
This is C2. So if oxygen is here, it will stop your counting.
So if I put like on the double bond example that you put down, if I put down another carbon
That's
on the other side,
3.
no, on the other side of the like next to the double bond, is that
4.
Oh, okay, that counts.
Yeah.
Just as long as there's nothing like actually in the middle of the chain.
Yeah.
Okay.
You will see this in case you will take 118C with my boss, which I'm not sure when he's teaching 118C, but I know he teaches 118 series. All his synthesis is this.
Wait, who's
I
your
know
boss?
Helix
Is it
is teaching
Professor Helix?
118B.
Look, can you search who is my boss?
I don't know.
Okay.
Is it Helix? Is it because he's teaching it next quarter?
No, not Helix. Helix is instructor. One of your future possible instructor.
Oh, it's Dr. Helix next 2 quarters.
That's not Dr. Helix. It's not my boss.
Oh, okay then.
You got that? Okay, we'll start to walk through. So this one should be easy.
Yes, I just start with an alcohol actually.
Oh, you start with an alcohol. Okay. Let's practice with more. Okay. Okay, alcohol also works if you PCC it. So that would be this. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay, CH3, CH2, CH2, MgBr. Okay, this one needs to have 1 and 2, otherwise they react with themselves, right? And okay, Et2O, that's your solvent. And then this one is just, then you're ready. Yeah.
So you can start with an alcohol like that?
Yeah, you can start with this. I just made up one, so I don't want to make it too hard.
Yes, I just started.
Just anything that has 3 carbons you can start with.
Continuous, yeah. This type of question should be easy because we didn't limit what you can use, which is more realistic. In the real chemistry you're doing in lab, is we're not going to say start with this. It's more or less you find the most useful one that you can find. That's more realistic. The one that we set for you, okay, start with this. It's kind of harder because you can only start with the ones we provide with you. Yes.
So in general, when we have like secondary alcohols and we have the option of using either PCC or Jones, we'd rather go PCC because there's less side reactions, right?
Yeah. Are people cool with this one?